Got a 4055 dash assembly. Might work in the late 4050s. We have to check the serial numbers, but it came out of the 55 series cab. So 40, 50, 42, 44, 55, 45, 55, 47, 49, 55. Sold a base cab to a guy for a rollover. So we've got the entire wiring harness that would be external with the double check engine harness, and we'll get the part numbers loaded up to it, but it's got the modules in it. It's got the circuit board in it, relay, steering hand pump, internal or dash, this harness here. That's your brake accumulator. It's like, I just priced that $2,400 for that little brake accumulator. Diff lock valve and brake valve. So brake pedals, clutch pedal, steering wheel. Steering wheel's not cracked up. The center piece is, but and we should have the floor plate, some brake lines. So a lot of those tractors will catch fire, and if a guy can get it put out, then he really only needs a dash. So this is a good option, excuse me, instead of buying every individual piece, putting it all back together. It's pricey, but everything in it's pricey too. So we'll get it loaded up. We just got a generic part number, SGB 4055 dash. It's a dash and then DASH. You'll be able to get to it by searching any of the part numbers within the assembly too. So just wanted to do a little quick video. We'll get some better imaging of it, but get it out so it can sell. Thank you.